Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of April. And first of all, national news. Vistara scaled back flight operation to reduce pressure on pilots. Completely unprovoked, anti-terror agency NIA on Bengal mob attack. Two Indian Navy warships being built in Russia are likely to be commissioned by the end of this year. A 500 grave Kaksh necropolis leads to 5,700-year-old Harappan settlement. Eight suffer side effects after cataract surgery. Indoor operation room sealed. International news. Two ships targeted off Yemen. UK security firm. Water level in Russia's ORSK critical. More floods likely after dam burst. Israel pulled troops out of southern Gaza after 6 months of war. One step away from victory. No ceasefire until Netanyahu on Gaza war. Donald Trump explained wife Melania's absence from 2024 presidential campaign. Now some sports news. Candidates chess. Pragnananda stopped Vidit Gujarati's apple cart. Joss Butler overtook Rohit Sharma as 8th highest T20 run getter. And now, news related to business. Consumers optimistic about economic situation, income, employment for next 1 year. RBI survey. Vistara reduced flights by 10% amid pilot woes, cancellations mostly on domestic network. EDAI raised concern over Hinduja Group led IIHL bid for Reliance Capital. FPIS withdrew 325 crore from Indian equities so far in April. Adani to invest 2.3 lakh crore in renewable energy manufacturing capacity. SEBI asked influencer to deposit unlawful gains worth over 12 crore it made through advisory. And that's all in news. Thank you.